Hi there, everyone. So today we are going to talk about the fact how do VCs and angel funding works like in the startup world that we are living in, and where startups are just booming on and on. Recently, we launched our own AI bot, AbroBot. So today was the investors meeting itself with the VCs and angel investors particularly. So I'm going to tell you about the fact that how do VCs work, how do these funding agencies work, and do you actually need to have one on your hand for increased growth in your startup? So starting on, myself Mridulanda, I'm the CA finalist, economic honors background, and have been running my own agency MNB Research, which it basically provides automation, AI agents, provides strategic support, operation management, and whatnot for digital marketing and strategic operations support, raising funds or any sort of funding that you might think of that your startup needs. First, you have a very solid validation of your idea. Like, आज जैसे I got to pitch to them. This was my first investors meeting for the VCs and angel investors itself. I met many of them in my network itself, but asking them for funding was next level. Even after being gone to Shark Tank India season 3, it was a new exposure for me because Shark Tank India is different and VCs and angel investors are different. So what they asked was validation. The first thing that you need for any startup to succeed is market kitni hai, validation hai ki nahi, and does the startup has the position that it can acquire customers and generate revenue. So it's been 3 days since the launch of AbroBot. So before starting this, I shall give you the context of what we have built and what we are asking the fund for. So you should also know ki what is this basically about. So the basic thing was AbroBot. We had been working on this project for over a 2 years period, and what it did was we collected data for over 25 lakh plus students who have gone through the journey of studying abroad. So the pain point of this was that agencies or consultants for abroad education in India, they are huge. It has a massive potential and आपको हर जगह पे कोई ना कोई consultant मिल जाएगा if you would go on Google. But basic thing is कोई अच्छा consultant नहीं मिलता. और अगर वो मिलते हैं so the basic model was that कि commission model is very high and percentage revenue for them. So students might not know that बच्चा जाता है for abroad education किसी consultant के पास, and consultant what it does is charge भी करते हैं पैसे around 50 to 2 lakh rupees, 50,000 to 2 lakh rupees on an average. It might be higher side. So what it does is बच्चे को वो वाली यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोवाइड की जाती है जो कमीशन उनको प्रोवाइड करती है एजेंट्स को, एंड बच्चों का फ्यूचर it does not matter to them, I believe. This is my personal opinion, and based on the 25 lakh plus students that I have met with, most of them face the same problem. Ki they did not have enough understanding or knowledge about the fact where they were going. And if they were spending so much money, I asked that why didn't you knew they're too attached with the dream of going abroad, they don't see anything else. So I asked them, why didn't you do the research back end before going? So they said ki consultant provided them with such a good brochure, such a good opportunity, and created mind full of dreams with them ki, you know, the dreaming world that people likes to live in, they built that environment for them. Or that is generally acceptable for the students ki unko nahi pata chala. So to change this, the core problem was this. So we worked on that. हमने करा कि this would be zero commission driven based platform. बच्चों को real reviews मिलेंगे, बच्चों को anyone who is pursuing abroad education or thinking about the same, everyone should have access to clear bias free information. Everyone should have clear choices. और इसके अंदर ये नहीं है सिर्फ it is not a generic AI bot कि आप मैसेज करो और वो सारे sources से आपको information दे देगा. No. So we are built upon AI recommendation of visa validation. आपकी profile कितनी अच्छी हो सकती है and different USPs. So today when I was going through the VCN meeting, the first thing that they asked me was not about the company, they asked about who was the founder, me. So they asked if you were have exited from any funding recently or exited from any venture successfully. So I said no on that. This is my the second one. And the first one is simultaneously going on the M&B research, which I had talked about, which provides automation and different type of supports for business acceleration. So what I believe that having a strong core background, if you are a founder, it is added advantage, but it is not compulsory. So let me tell you कि startup चलाने से पहले you should have TAM, SAM. TAM is what is the total addressable market. उस जो इस मार्केट को आप टारगेट कर रहे हो उसमें टोटल कितने लोग हैं जिनको आप बेच सकते हो, जो आपकी पोटेंशियल ऑडियंस है. एंड सैम इज सर्विसेबल एड्रेसेबल मार्केट, कि कितने लोगों को उन टोटल मार्केट में से आप सर्विस कर सकते हो इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट के लिए या सर्विस के लिए. So in this particular industry in India itself, when I talk about, I said that TAM was around $6.5 billion and it was increasing. And the SAM was around 0.5, I believe, $billion, because this is a huge potential product and service-based platform. So they were interested from the starting itself. And I was feeling happy that they would invest something or something like that. I'm going to tell you about the valuation and everything itself in detail. And in the coming years, I believe the startup world is actually going to change drastically. So today when I got on the meeting, it was 15 minutes for max. 15 minutes is chalti hai koi bhi achhi meeting ho. 10 minutes is for your presentation and 5 minutes is for their Q&A. हो सकता है कि आपकी अच्छा पिच हो तो Q&A can increase, but generally उनके इतने स्टार्टअप्स में उन्होंने इन्वेस्ट कर रखे, दे नो कि कौन से क्वेश्चंस उनको पूछने चाहिए. सो यू डोंट हैव टू बी सारे क्वेश्चंस के लिए प्रिपेयर्ड, बट यू हैव टू हैव द नॉलेज अबाउट योर बिजनेस. जितनी ज़्यादा नॉलेज आपको अपने बिजनेस के बारे में, अपने कस्टमर्स के बारे में है, आपकी सर्विसेज के बारे में है, आई डोंट थिंक आपको कोई प्रिपेयर करने की ज़रूरत है सिवाय इन चीज़ों के. अगर आपको अच्छे से पता है आपका बिजनेस करना क्या चाहता है और क्या कर रहा है. सो इन द 3 days पीरियड वी हैव गॉट ओवर 650 स्टूडेंट्स डेटा. 650 स्टूडेंट्स का मतलब ये हुआ कि दे हैव यूज्ड अ प्लेटफॉर्म, दे हैव पुट इन देयर डिटेल्स, एंड which for me is a milestone and for me, my team itself. And I think अभी तक कोई ऐसा कर नहीं रहा बॉट, हो सकता है आगे कर ले, and I will be happy because आप देखते हो competition as a threat. Yeah, it is a threat, but also it provides you an opportunity to improve, I believe. क्योंकि जब तक competition नहीं होगा आपकी इंडस्ट्री में, how will you increase, how will you improve your services? So we did a thorough research about the background of the competitors. Like उन्होंने पूछा that where are you thinking your competition is? I completely said that valuation के बारे में भी उन्होंने पूछा. So I said कि the basic competitors we have is Leverage Edu, EdTech Upgrad, but they are not our direct competitors because they offer abroad education, but they do not have AI consultants or AI consultancy support based on the real reviews. Well, they can in the future if they want, but they also knew that something collecting this far and this large database is not easy. So the most valuable thing is data. कोई भी आपका इंटरफेस बना सकता है, कोई भी आपका ऐप बना सकता है, but something that they can't build is the data that you have and the way that you are executing your startup to positioning it. So I was quite impressed by the fact that we have built something this good, and it gives me आपको भी अगर आप कुछ बनाते हो स्टार्टिंग से and it gets this huge potential. So coming back to the valuation. So the valuation was for fact I was raising $1.5 million for 20%. And yeah, that's huge. But comparing to the competitors and the valuation that others have, like Leverage Edu, AdmitCard, or some of the competitors that are getting acquired by the giants of EdTech, I believe this was on a significant lower side, around 80 to 90% down side. So I was happy because I was getting to change something. So in the end, they asked me one thing, that Riddle, your startup is good, it has a huge potential, but we as investor, we can ask for something, not just investing, but we want to have 4% equity in your business without any foresight and without any compliance. We are going to provide you mentorship, we are going to provide you training, we are going to help you succeed, and we are going to help you raise the funds. I said that you are the VC, right? अब funds आपको ही देने हैं. They said no. हम आपको प्रोवाइड कर देंगे इन्वेस्टर्स के थ्रू. वी आर गोना प्रोवाइड यू फुल सपोर्ट, बट फॉर दैट यू आर गोना पे मी 4% ऑफ द इक्विटी विदाउट एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ, कोई कंडीशंस नहीं अप्लाई होंगे उस पर बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस. एंड इन द फ्यूचर राउंड्स आप कुछ भी रेस करते हो, यू गोना हैव टू पे मी 2% ऑफ द सेम. सो आई सेड 4% of the equity is almost around 3.5 crores for my business valuation. I said, okay, 4% the year, no problem, because I'm getting to learn something. So I just asked that. Before आप किसी को अपनी कंपनी का कोई हिस्सेदारी दे रहे हो, हिस्सेदारी is ownership itself. You have to have key what is that person bringing on the table. So I asked, mentorship is something for those who are not in the ideation stage or validation stage. I said, I have the validation. I have the market addressability. I know the USPs. I know where this product is going ahead and how it is going to grow. I had all the strategies and I had shown that to them. तो उनको basically, I don't know whether they were skeptical or something about the same, that this was the first time that I was raising fund, but I was not. I was sure of the fact that यहाँ से नहीं मिलेगी तो आगे जाके कहीं ना कहीं से मिल जाएगी, because I was sure of the fact कि ये चीज़ जो बनाई है, it has immense value and immense incredibility of diversifying the AI consulting for a broad education. So exit plan भी आपके पास होना चाहिए. Investors are mostly interested कि जो पैसे लगाएंगे उनको पैसे वापसी कैसे मिलेंगे और कितने टाइम बाद मिलेंगे, and at what valuation. The exit strategy was simple. Get acquired by EdTech giant या फिर diversify itself into a new revenue stream, offering valuing visa evaluation, offering LOIs, SOPs, which are important. And AI consultant ऐसा काम करो, as ChatGPT जैसे subscription based है वैसे नहीं, but give it its own immense value and diversified line. So that is the main thing for building a startup. Now coming back to कि startup में आपको funding की ज़रूरत है कि नहीं. Let me tell you, funding is just a new craze that is going on. और अगर आप चला सकते हो startup, because Abrobot जैसे जो हमारा है, it requires immense marketing spend. It has required around 5 to 6 crores of marketing spend at least if it want to have a percentage of the market share. Because अगर एक बार marketing हो गई, because this is something marketing can bring you customers for sure, but it cannot validate. अगर आपकी validation strong है, आपकी वो solid है, तो आप marketing करोगे तो customer would get attracted. उसको पता चल जाएगा कि ऐसा product होता है market में, तो generally वो आएगा ही अगर अच्छा है तो. सो कमिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट कि आपको स्टार्टअप में, आपके स्टार्टअप या बिजनेस में आपको वैल्यूएशन किस टाइप से चाहिए, वो उसके बारे में हम आने वाली वीडियोस में बात करेंगे. एंड आई एम गोना कीप यू पोस्टेड विद दिस जर्नी दैट आई एम ऑन फॉर रेजिंग फंड और बिल्डिंग न्यू स्टार्टअप्स. अगर आपको भी कोई एआई एजेंट बनाना है, जस्ट फील फ्री. आई एम गोना पिन डाउन माय कंपनी लिंक. वी बिल्ड कस्टमाइज्ड एजेंट्स टू, एंड इफ यू रिक्वायर एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ सपोर्ट फॉर वेबसाइट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, वी आर हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू. एंड फॉर द सेक कि आपको आपके बिजनेस के लिए फंडिंग चाहिए कि नहीं, लेट मी टेल यू, कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है आपको स्टार्टअप में फंडिंग लेनी है कि नहीं. इट इज़ जस्ट अ न्यू ग्लिम्स दैट वी आर सीइंग एवरीवन अराउंड अवर्सेल्व्स कि ईटी पे आता है, इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स पे, मनी कंट्रोल पे, कि दिस स्टार्टअप बॉट फंडिंग एट एक्स वैल्यूएशन एट मिलियंस डॉलर्स एंड बिलियंस. सो इट्स गुड. अगर आप कुछ बिल्ड कर रहे हो एंड दैट हैज़ अ फ्यूचर वैल्यू, तो लेट मी टेल यू, nothing can stop you. आज नहीं तो कल you will succeed. Just have hopes. Because अगर आज मैं ना करता funding, अगर उनको दे देता, I would have that regret in my heart and mind कि I gave them for free. But yeah, अगर future में अगर कोई मुझे लगता है कि regret होगा, I don't care for that because I have learned from it. Today I have learned about different type of questions that you have to get prepared for. तभी आपको share कर पा रहा हूँ. So everything has a new experience in it. So just trust your journey and believe in your startup or business that you're building. और अगर वो नहीं build हो पा रहा, just address it to the market. Validation ले लो market से from the customers that you are building it for. And it's quite easy. अगर आपको कोई help चाहिए, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn, Instagram, everywhere. And thank you for today's time. We'll keep you posted for the future updates. Thank you and subscribe and like this channel.